Everyone, welcome. I was gifted the Cozylady 20-foot RGB Neon Rope Lights for an honest review. These lights are customizable, waterproof, and even sync with music, making them perfect for parties, games, setups, or adding a cozy ambiance. Setting up these lights was pretty simple. The reinforced tape helped secure them along the top of my son's desk in his room, and the app control made it easy to adjust settings without getting up. The 20-foot length provides enough coverage for various setups, whether along the edge of a garden path or behind the TV for ambient lighting. The app control offers a ton of options, from adjusting colors to setting timers and syncing with music. The music sync feature is fantastic for parties as the lights pulse in time with whatever music is playing. The colors are bright and vibrant, making it easy to create the exact ambiance I'm looking for. One drawback is that the app can lag occasionally, especially when using complex lighting patterns. However, the remote control works well as a backup, and the colors remain constant and bright. Secondly, the remote needs to be pointed at the IR sensor for it to work properly. This can be troublesome if you want to have it hidden. Overall, the Cozylady RGB Neon Rope Lights are a great option for anyone wanting a lighting option with tons of customization. They're easy to use, bright, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor decor. Don't forget to like and follow for more helpful reviews.